Hi and welcome to this tutorial for TermWeb 4. In this tutorial we're going to be creating temporary filters called quick filters in TermWeb. In our search view you can select no filter text up here next to filter in our search view menu. This will open up a small window. We can choose between different filters, but in our case we're going to click on the quick filter button to open up a small window showing the logical operators that we use for filters. In this example I'm going to create a quick filter for concepts that have been changed within the last week. So what I'm going to do is, for my filter criteria, is choose changed date. As you can see, the term list is already updating with the new criteria, but we're not done with this quick filter. We're going to choose after, and then we're going to choose the date from a week ago. If I want to reuse this filter another day, I could click on relative here, because this will always choose the date relative from today and not the specified date up here. When I'm done with this quick filter, I can click on close and I can access my term list. You can see that quick filter is selected up here. If I want to disable the quick filter, I can go up here and then click on clear. And this will return me to a setting where I'm not using any filters. If I want to save a filter, I can type a text in save quick filter as, and then click on save. This will save the filter to my regular filter menu that you can find by clicking on search modes, filters. This was a tutorial for how to create temporary filters in TermWeb.